Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create header on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a header on Squarespace is essential for establishing your site's identity and ensuring easy navigation. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon and click on the account dashboard. Once inside the website builder or the website editor, okay? Now, I want you to hover to the top corner of your site. On top, there's going to be an option that says edit site header, and this is where we can create one. Okay. Now you see, on this is going to be the header right here, this whole section. You can add elements if you want. For example, you can put in a button right here, social links if you want, such as this one, your account, see that, and the language switch. For you to be able to activate the language switch, your site must be multilingual, and you can set up translations in the language and region settings. I want you to go to the language settings for that, but I must skip it for now because it's really easy. After doing all of these, all right, you can click on the edit design because you can put in different layouts such as this one. You have all of these options, you see? They have different information, right? Or different style. You can have a link spacing right here if you want. See that? You can be crafty by clicking on the element spacing. You can put in drop shadow, like a different color. For example, it's black. How about this one right here? Okay. Yeah, you can spread. See that? The color, the distance. So you have all of these. You can blur. Of course, you can put it strong, soft, and a custom option. All right. Now, on the, you can put in a fixed position if you want, like a height and width. Is it going to be full or insert? You can choose the color as well. You can choose adaptive, solid, or gradient. All right. So you have all of these controls when creating your header inside the Squarespace. When you're happy with that, you can also hover to the go back, edit design. You can again add another elements here, or you can simply, you see this, there's going to be an add section wherein if you add a section, you can put something like an intro, a contact, about, future, people. So there's a lot that you can choose from. All right. And of course, you might want to switch on different kind of view from desktop to mobile. You want to make sure that a responsive header design ensures that your site looks good on all devices, desktop, tablets, and smartphones. I'm going to click on this for now. I'm going to exit, click on the mobile view, because a mobile-friendly headers with larger buttons or links makes it easier for users to navigate using touch devices. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.